discussing that myself, Ved Prakash Das, I am from Calcutta University, doctorate research fellow, and in part-time session, I teach physics for class 11, 12, CBSE, ICSE, as well as easier way, NEET join. So for this purpose, I want to explain some of the critical concept, and I have taken an examples that will give you an idea of physics. I am taking the concept of the examples from the concept of momentum, that is the kinematics. Whenever we coin the term momentum, then there will be involvement of a mass and its corresponding velocity. ये मोमेंटम जब भी हम बोलते हैं तो इसका मतलब होता है इसमें मास रहेगा और वेलोसिटी रहेगा. मान लो कि ये लीनियर मोशन हो या फिर रेक्टिलिनियर मोशन हो या फिर सर्कुलर मोशन हो, जो भी हो, इसमें मास और वेलोसिटी दोनों रहता है. नाउ let's get to a problem first. A problem is given in such a way. I'm not going to write the problem. I will share with you if you want. I will share it to you in WhatsApp number. That the problem is written like a machine gun is mounted on a 2000 kg vehicle on a horizontal smooth road. That is, whenever we are coining the term smooth, whenever we are coining the term smooth, it implies no friction. It implies no friction, right? So the smooth road, and the gun fires 10 bullets per second with a velocity of 500 meter per second. If mass of each bullet be 10 gram, then what is the thrust required for the bullet, the thrust applied by all the bullets? So what we require first, we have to understand that the momentum for each bullet, we can consider it momentum for each bullet. Whenever we are considering this, we have to also consider mass of bullet and velocity of bullet. So these two terms are given in our problem. What is such? Each bullet having the mass of 10 gram, right? Mass of each bullet is 10 gram, and velocity is 500 meter per second. 500 meter per second. So whenever we are considering the momentum, then momentum equal to 10 into 500 into 10 to the power 3, because this is in CGS. We have to convert the whole physical quantity in CGS quantity only. So it is indeed, it is becoming as 5 in SI unit. I am making 5 kilogram meter per second. Now the scenario is, we have to understand that we are interested to calculate the thrust of the bullet, right? So whenever we are calculating the thrust, that means we are calculating, this is the momentum for each bullet, right? 10 bullets are being fired in per seconds. The problem has been considered that 10 bullets fired per second. right? So if one bullet having momentum of this much, that is this much, then this momentum is basically the force or thrust applied, right? So this can be, whenever we are calling thrust, that is the cumulative effort of 10 bullets, right? So 10 into 5, the answer will be 50 Newton. The answer will be 50 Newton. So the amount of thrust applied by the bullet will be 50 Newton.